evening, this is All India Radio Kohima and I am Nabin Pradhan with the evening news. The headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 3 high-end COVID-19 testing labs in Noida, Mumbai and Kolkata. Nagaland's COVID-19 tally climbs up to 1,385. Total lockdown enforced in Mon from today till 2nd of next month. And Kohima Police arrests 5 in connection with robbery at Kohima. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated virtually 3 high-end COVID-19 testing labs in Noida, Mumbai and Kolkata. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, along with the Chief Ministers of Maharashtra, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, also took part in the event. Modi said Delhi, NCR, Mumbai and Kolkata are major centers of economic activity. He said, be it an isolation center or a COVID special hospital or a network of testing, tracing and tracking, India has expanded its capabilities at a very fast pace. The 3 testing facilities have been strategically set up at ICMR, National Institute of Cancer Prevention and Research, Noida, ICMR, National Institute for Research in Reproductive Health, Mumbai, and ICMR, National Institute of Cholera and Enteric Diseases, Kolkata. The labs are enabled to test diseases other than COVID as well. Post the pandemic, the labs will be able to test for hepatitis B and C, HIV, TB and dengue. Nagaland witnessed another big spike in COVID-19 case today with 46 new cases detected. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnyuphom in a tweet today said 23 cases are from Kohima, 14 from Dimapur and 8 cases from Mon. 1 case was reported from TrueNat. Health Department informed that of the 23 COVID-19 positive cases detected in Kohima today, 10 persons are from different colonies and wards, while 3 are already from containment zones, including 1 in D Block and 2 in Lower Chanmari. The new colonies getting infected are Officers Hill, Lower Lire, Lower Baiva, Upper Midland and Elk Hill, Kohima village. Meanwhile, 2 infections have also been detected in Zubza Administrative Circle. Meanwhile, 20 more have been recovered from COVID-19. Nagaland has now a total of 1,385 cases, out of which 811 are active, while 569 have recovered. So far, 5 persons have lost their lives from COVID-19. The 5th death was reported from an 82-year-old man who died on Sunday afternoon. Total lockdown has been enforced in Monton from today till the 2nd of next month in the light of emerging circumstances and to contain the spread of COVID-19. In this connection, SDO Civil Sadar Mon Chumlamo Humsoy has notified that movement of public is strictly prohibited except medical emergencies. All business and commercial establishments and shops shall remain closed, while pharmacies are exempted. Movement of private vehicles except those permitted is banned. Trucks from Assam carrying essential commodities are permitted only for today. Not more than 20 persons will be permitted in case of funerals. No movement will be permitted in or out of Mon Town. Office of the Deputy Commissioner, SP, banks, fire and emergency services, health and family welfare, food and civil supplies, power, PHED, sanitation workers of MTC, treasury and accounts, PWD, roads and bridges, postal services, prisons, district court, IPR, home guards and civil defense and paramilitary forces are exempted from the purview of this order. The public are requested to comply with the order, and any person found violating this order will be penalized under relevant provisions of the law. Peren District Task Force and Joint Action Committee on COVID-19 have resolved to issue another stringent order in regard to funeral service and social-related gatherings through village level and town level. This was decided today during the DTF meeting at Peren. The board also decided to adopt strict directives or advisories for those entering the district from other districts of Nagaland as well as from other states in order to prevent community transmission in the district. With regard to the entry and exit of people, the members asked the medical team and police personnel manning the check gate of Heningkungla and Painamsi to maintain a proper record of the movement of people. Discussion was also held to reactivate Village Healthcare and Sanitation Committee as well as to disseminate information related to COVID-19. You're listening to the news from All India Radio, Kohima. A team of Kohima Police led by SDPO North arrested 5 persons in connection with a robbery case at Delivery Private Limited, an online logistic delivery service near High School Junction, Kohima. The incident took place on 22nd of this month by 4 armed unknown miscreants. In this connection, a case was registered and a manhunt was launched to nab the miscreants. During the operation, the stolen money amounting to 16,61,700 rupees, 4 mobile phones, pistols, magazines and permit of NSC and IM, along with several incriminating items were recovered and seized from their possession. After observing all legal formalities, the accused persons have been remanded to police custody for the purpose of further investigation. Efforts are on to recover the remaining amount and the other stolen items. Meanwhile, Kohima Police has warned of strict action against criminals and anti-social elements indulging in criminal activities and endangering public peace and security. Department of Health and Family Welfare Nagaland has said that contact tracing is the process of identifying people who have been exposed to an infected person so that proper assessment and management can be done to break the chain of transmission. All contacts will be put in home or facility quarantine. Testing will be done immediately for the contacts who have symptoms. For those who do not have symptoms, testing will be done from the 5th to 10th day of the contact. If a person has been exposed or made contact with a COVID-19 confirmed case, one should strictly isolate themselves and not meet anyone and inform the respective district health team. The health department appealed all to cooperate with the contact tracing team to protect oneself, family and society. The Union government has banned 47 more Chinese apps. Earlier, it had banned 59 China-based apps on the grounds of national security and data privacy. Official sources said these 47 apps are clones of the previously banned Chinese apps. Last month, the government had banned Chinese apps, including TikTok. The nation remembers former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his death anniversary today. Popularly known as People's President and Missile Man of India, Dr. Kalam passed away in Shillong on 27th July 2015. While delivering a lecture to students. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu paid tributes to the former president. In a series of tweets, Naidu said, Dr. Kalam was an outstanding scientist, a great human being, and a people's president who inspired the people of the country, particularly the youth, through his actions and words. Union Home Minister Amit Shah described Dr. Kalam as an epitome of intellect, wisdom, and simplicity. In a tweet, Shah said Dr. Kalam's relentless quest for knowledge continues to inspire and capture the idea of self-reliant India. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar also paid tributes to the noted scientist and teacher Dr. Kalam. The Directorate of Technical Education Nagaland has informed all the intending candidates who have applied for Agri and Allied and Paramedical degree courses during the current academic session 2020-2021 that the last date for submission of mark sheets has been extended till 31st of this month till 5 p.m. And in the news, a reminder of the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 3 high-end COVID-19 testing labs in Noida, Mumbai and Kolkata. Nagaland's COVID-19 tally climbs up to 1,385. Total lockdown enforced in Mon from today till 2nd of next month. And Kohima Police arrests 5 in connection with robbery at Kohima. And that is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.